Strong group signs. This lesson in the strong group signs is a continuation from the strong word signs. As a review, the letter combinations from the strong word signs were CH, SH, TH, WH, OU, and ST. The two letter combinations in the strong group signs can either be a consonant-consonant, a vowel-consonant, or a vowel-vowel. The remaining combinations that make up the rest of the group signs are GH, ED, ER, OW, AR, and ING. Like with the strong word signs, the group signs can also be used as part of the word. It could either be found in the middle, at the beginning, or at the end. The following are the remaining strong group signs and their dot configuration. GH dots 1, 2, 6. ED dots 1, 2, 4, 6. ER dots 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. OW dots 2, 4, 6. AR dots 3, 4, 5. ING dots 3, 4,